Wayne.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County in northeastern Ohio until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm.
G57 went off.
Worcester, Orville, Ridmond.
Nope.
Per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar
Damn, another
indicated.
tornado possible.
Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Orville, Ridmond, Doylestown, Creston, Dalton, Shreve, Mount Eaton, Smithville, Apple Creek, Marshallville, and Fredericksburg. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Wayne, Ohio. Urgent. Several county and